This is the noisiest restaurant I've eaten in so far.
Whoa!
This is crazy. Wow. Train station restaurant, huh?
Yeah!
Varanasi was an incredible eye-opening experience, unlike anything I had ever seen. The energy of the place, the way it embraces both life and death, left me vibrating and slightly overwhelmed. The chaos, the intensity, and the sheer weight of it all began to sink in. I was ready for a change. I was excited to head south to Kerala, to explore a calmer, more peaceful part of India. But as I boarded the plane, I started to feel the first signs of the flu creeping in.
So we just made it to Kerala. Wow, look at this crazy peeling wave. So much to see, guys. Yes, whoa, look at all those speakers. So we're out here in I don't know how to say it, man. I need to learn how to say this name. Trivandrum. But anyways, they were the nicest people ever, man. Like, these Airbnb folks were so kind. Look at all those colors. What is this? Actually, this place is much more developed than I thought it was. This is like fucking posh. I'm gonna go try Kerala banana. They say like the bananas here are really good. One banana. The bananas here are really good, yes? That's what I heard. Yeah, the world famous Kerala bananas, yeah? Give me a good one, yeah? Wow. Yeah. It is actually a really good banana. I am pretty tired. I haven't slept much tonight. Just been traveling in the airports, in and out of airports, and being kind of sick, being like snuffy and sore throat. I got some medicines though. I haven't taken it yet, but I got some stuff from the pharmacy, which might be helping. Also, I'm starting to feel slightly better. Getting out of Varanasi was definitely the right move right now. Like, fuck man, that place was so crazy. I feel just like overstimulated from that place. Coming here now is so shanty.
Not too much was going on in Trivandrum. I was pretty tired and I was sleeping a lot and making some music, but I also got a scooter to explore the city and some of its beaches before I decided to head on to Varkala, which I heard was a really good surf spot. My energy was low, my body was tired, but I wasn't about to let that stop me. I was determined to keep experiencing as much of India as I could and to stay committed to creating music no matter what.
Told me like a month ago or so, like a few fishermen fell in the ocean and drowned because of the underwater currents. So that's why nobody is swimming here. You can't, you just die. I see a lot of communist flags, yeah? There's a lot of communism.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you communist?
No.
No, you are...
No.
What is the other side? Like liberalist, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. This is like the communist center here. Fuck, that's crazy.
This is Varkala.
Yeah, it looks like fucking China, huh?
My brother was snake catcher.
Snake catcher. Oh, wow. Okay.
He passed away.
He passed away from a snake?
Yes.
Oh shit. Damn.
Just 1 month.
I'm sorry. Oh, really? A month ago? Oh man, I'm sorry to hear. My condolences. So we just reached the Airbnb. Really fucking beautiful place, guys. I can see the ocean from this window. This giant window right here. Clean waves though, look at this. I just want to get out there.
Arriving in Varkala, the first thing I noticed was the ocean. Waves crashing against the endless beach, full of energy and life. As I walked along the shore, I couldn't help but feeling a spark of excitement. If you've been following me for a while, you know how much I love surfing and water activities in general. I'd never surfed in India before, and the idea of trying it here felt like a whole new adventure.
Look at this guy!
Along the way, I saw all sorts of interesting things. Strange birds I've never seen before, adorable puppies playing in the sand, and the occasional group of people wanting to take selfies. I noticed this place had a lot of tourists as well. It reminded me of Arambol, but even more peaceful and with some surfable waves. Eventually, I made my way to a surf school. The instructors were friendly and laid back, and we agreed to meet the next morning for a group surf session. I was aching to surf though, and I managed to book a sunset session with another surf school that evening. Despite feeling a little under the weather, the thought of catching waves here was more than enough to keep my spirits high.
Okay, so this is Jensen. This is the guy. Hey.
There's different surf schools, but we'll be all doing together here.
Oh, you got some boards. First surf in India. Let's fucking go with Jensen. UK?
Yeah? Why?
Huh?
Why? Okay.
UK?
Why should I not be okay?
UK.
UK, no, from Germany.
Germany, okay,
Yeah,
you just had a kind of an accent.
Aussie.
Aussie? No,
Yeah,
I'm Norwegian. I wait for you out there, yeah?
Yeah.
See you at the work, yeah? Okay. First surf in India, let's fucking go! Sure. Dude, we are out there. India surfing is different, man. This is quite an experience. This much?
Up to hip level?
Hip level.
Yeah. You want to try?
Can I try?
Yeah, it's good.
I should probably have reef boots.
What do you have?
No.
It's not that rocky, just a little bit forward.
I'm in the rocky section now, ready to get barreled. Oh, that was crazy! Wow! That was like a barrel, yeah? That was crazy! That was to be like one of the sickest waves of my life. Just because I'm here, you know? Hearing the Allah music. Crazy!
I didn't record too much of the nightlife in Varkala, as I was mostly focused on rest to be able to surf as much as possible. But Varkala has a vibrant strip in the mountainside, filled with endless restaurants, shops, massage parlors and yoga centers. Proper hippie shit.
Wow. To the waves, eh?
The next morning we drove out to a less crowded spot and went for a surf in the rain. I met some new friends from the surf school and it was nice to be part of a group adventure.
Yeah, wax?
Max?
Yeah. Sick, man. Thank you. Yeah, well. You know, I'm raised well. I always finish my plate, you know?
Yeah, I also don't like moving food on the...
So warm! Oh, it's so good. It's like going in the jacuzzi, man. There you go, bro. It's like drum and bass music, dubstep. Yeah. Also, I can just take it out.
Yeah, right.
So it's very easy.
It's good, yeah.
You get some waves?
Yeah.
Fair? Yeah. Really?
Yeah, it's alright.
I think I saw you in the wave though.
Yeah.
You were ripping, yeah?
I need to get a bit lower, I think. I was a bit too tall.
Is this your first time?
Yeah.
Oh really? You did good, man. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, man. How was it?
Yeah, it was sick. I loved it.
Yeah? Nice. Get some waves?
Awesome, man. Yeah, hit a few good ones.
Yeah. Where are you from, by the way?
Germany.
Germany, okay.
Strong jaw.
Iron jaw.
Iron jaw. But how is it like when you film everything? Like, I don't know, just good. Like used to it, or like it's just it seems so normal to you, like.
Yo.
That's so fun.
Yeah. No, I usually have like a big camera though.
Yeah,
You know,
I
like
saw you when you were like also walking in here.
The next morning I was able to go on a solo session right outside the Airbnb before leaving for Ernakulam Town and Munnar.
With the glasses, yeah, looking sharp.
Yes, yes.
There we go. Okay.
Thank you.
No worries, man.
Surfing in Varkala was a really cool and intense experience, especially solo surfing, since I don't know what's in the water here, but everyone told me that it was pretty safe, except for the people who were scared to death from swimming, but I had a really good time regardless. But now it's time to head over to Munnar.
So I just got on the train. I'm on my way to Cochin.
Riding the train in India was a really cool experience. It gave me shit tons of inspiration for music, and that was actually when I started making this track, Train to Ernakulam Town. And popping my head out the window was definitely one of my peak experiences in India.
Huh? Huh?
Where are you going?
I'm going to Munnar.
Munnar.
Yeah. Tuk-tuk to Munnar?
Okay.
How much? 4 hours, yeah?
3,000.
3,000? Really? Tuk-tuk to Munnar? It's okay. Yes. You go to Munnar, yeah? You ready? Let's go. I'm a backseat princess, you know?
But price is very less. If you don't mind, can you give me more money?
What?
Price is very low. How much is it showing to you?
The price is the price, yeah? The price is the price. You don't want to do it? I can find another one.
Okay, let's go, no problem.
Okay? Cool. What's your name? Your name, yeah? Shias. Yeah. Gyros is like kebab, you know? Yeah. Oh, it's really crumbly. Found some fun. I love how you're carrying my backpack. Like two guys. It looks like a dead body, yeah? It's not, I promise. I'm just kidding. Super nice room though.
You can check the bar. Not too much view, but just more.
No, it's a stick view. It's perfect. Like a netting too.
Yes, sir.
Like an anti-suicide.
Yes.
Ah, yeah. Nice. Perfect. Thank you very much, guys.
Okay,
Good
sir.
night. Good night. This place is so nice. And it was only like 2,500. It was like cheaper than the Airbnbs that I booked that didn't go through. Wow. This place is so nice. So nice to have some lux actually. It was a beautiful hot shower and man, it was so nice. This is to Munnar?
Munnar.
Huh? Okay. Yeah. Cool.
I arrived in Ernakulam Town pretty late in the evening and had to stay at a hotel on the way to Munnar and catch a bus the next morning. I had no idea what to expect in Munnar, but I knew I wanted to see some elephants. As I stepped out of the bus, I met a man named Albert.
We made it to Munnar.
Yeah.
Just got out of the bus and I guess we just gotta see where to go. I don't really know where to go from here. I just want to see some elephants. Yeah, already everyone's gathering around to try and get me to buy shit. It's business per usual. And yeah, I guess just have a walk down this road, yeah? Where? Where?
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
Nice view, tea plantation.
Yeah, how much?
900 rupees.
900?
Yeah.
For 1 day?
1 day.
Okay, cool.
Okay?
Yeah, sure. You have free now?
Yeah.
I can put my bags there now? Okay. Cool.
Come in front. Welcome front. This is my wife.
Okay. Nice to meet you. This one's a vibe though. Hello.
Hi too.
How are you? Thank you. Oh, here's a cow.
Hey, wow.
Okay.
It's good, yeah? You wait here? Okay. What I was trying to get, but here's my breakfast. It's like a dessert, but that's okay. There's a lot of nutmeg here.
Yeah.
Nutmeg plantations.
Yeah.
What do you use nutmeg for?
Yeah, spices.
Like a spice
Yeah.
for food?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, nutmeg, it's like a drug, yes?
Yeah.
If you eat too much?
Yeah, sometime your airport on the way,
Yeah?
one spice garden visiting, spices garden.
Huh? Spice garden?
Yeah.
Many, very, very big garden, government.
Yeah. I know some people in the world, they eat nutmeg to get wavy, you know?
Yeah.
It makes them drunk. Huh.
Spicy.
Spicy, yes,
Yeah,
but...
like in the biryani, curry.
Yes.
Yeah.
In high doses, it's like psychedelic, yes?
Yeah.
You see things. Hallucinations. You start see things, hallucinations. You know?
Yeah.
I was only visiting Munnar for one day, as I wanted to get moving towards Mumbai. During my visit in Munnar, Albert was driving me around and showing me what Munnar has to offer. I rode an elephant, went mountain trekking, and saw the inside of a tea factory, all in one day.
Yes, he has a few, but when I noticed the same.
It's a Hindi. Yeah?
Yeah. Her name is Sundri.
Sundri. You named her?
No, they named her.
Yeah.
Sundri means beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, okay.
And she is Julie.
Julie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have fun, Julie.
Thank you. I go now? Okay. What's the pay for these workers? How much they make? 450 an hour?
480.
480 per hour? Okay.
Per hour, no. 1 day.
1 day? 480? Oh shit. Okay. Wow. I just made it back to the cottage and I look fucked up, man. Whoa. My face looks so tired. Oh, I feel so tired as well. I don't know, I started getting dizzy, like in the street, like super dizzy, and like the shakes in my body, like freezing, and it's not cold. So I'm just gonna go to sleep now. I'm literally exhausted, and I actually go to Goa tomorrow. I take a plane at 12 in the morning, midday. I get a ride from Albert. He's gonna drive me at 7 in the morning. What a G, man! What a fucking G! He's just made this experience so awesome. Really royal treatments in Munnar, awesome stuff. Got to see so much in such a short amount of time. From just literally from getting out of the bus, I was just going, you know, it was so nice. But now I really feel the after effects of this day, and yeah, I'm just gonna go to sleep now and then go out tomorrow. Hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. Okay. Awesome. Thank you, man. You're a real G.